Hi, today's lesson's really easy. We're not going to do any work. Well, a little bit. Can you just go and review your quiz tests? I've marked all the quiz tests. I've made comments where you may have some advice on how you can improve. So I'm not too sure how you go about doing that. So I think you may simply go down here where you've dropped your quiz, click on that. It's a different view, and you'll see my comments and, of course, your score, which was out of 22. I will percentage it, but um, that's another issue. But more importantly, just focus on which questions you got right and wrong. And then, really, just two simple. We're studying a new topic, financial mathematics. Now, why do it? I think it's important that you just sort of take a little bit of time to just have a look at how the world works. That's right, we money. And these are two very simple. That's a nice short 2 minute one, and this one a little bit long. Hopefully, you can survive till the end. But it just gives you some insight into how money makes the world go round, and that's why it's important that in this topic you develop your skills in dealing with money, even if it's just purchasing goods at your local shopping centre. Be able to understand how to get change and so forth. So have a quick look and then just relax, go away and daydream. We'll start a new topic most probably on Friday. So cheers.